Hello everyone, I am Upal Patel. I am from Fiji Islands. I am extremely happy to share with you all that I have passed my Italian driving license theory exam in the very first attempt, and that too without making any mistakes. Yes, zero mistakes, and I have my full rosa. It's not even been a year since I have arrived in Italy, so obviously I don't know the Italian language, but that's not a problem. To pass the theory exam, you don't need to know the Italian language. You need to know the rules, the laws, regulations of driving on road in Italy. So what did I do? I was fortunate enough to get a recommendation of Mr. Ambrish from one of my friend, and that's where my journey began, which I felt was highly impossible. So I contacted Mr. Ambrish at first, and he was very kind enough to take my call on the same day, and I attended his first class, which was a trial, of course, without paying any money to him. So in the very first class, I got to know that he is someone who is going to help me through my journey of getting the Italian driving license, and I have cleared the very first yet the most challenging part, that is the theory exam, because without knowing the Italian language, I believed it was not possible. Why Mr. Ambrish? Because he's not a teacher. He's not going to read the book in front of you and explain you the meaning. He's going to train you in such a way that when you see a question, you already have the answer in your mind, because that is exactly what happened with me. I did not expected a person like him, who does not only give classes, but he also give us tips and tricks of passing the theory exam without being a native Italian speaker. The way he drives the lesson, and obviously there are 25 chapters, but we need not to start from page 1, because the laws on every page are independent of each other. Even though we start from the last page and go back till 1, it's fine. But with him, his method of teaching for 15 or 30 minutes in the first hour, and then doing the quiz, doing the questions which are usually been asked in the theory exam, helps us a lot in understanding the way we need to train and guide ourselves to pass the theory exam. And that's where Mr. Ambrish stands out from everyone. Obviously, before joining the class, I have been to many auto schoolers to get the information and all. But I saw the concept inside the auto schooler. It's like a classroom. They were having whiteboard, tables and chairs. So obviously, the instructor was going to teach the student like what we did in our high school and universities. But with Mr. Ambrish, he understands that we all are matured, we are expatriates, we are foreigners, and we are in Italy, and most of us have been driving in our respective countries for many years. So driving is not a problem. Passing the theory exam is a key over here. And he, in his own unique and experienced way, the way he teaches us, the way he helps us to understand the concept, is very unique and very helpful. That's what I have, that is what actually helped me in passing my theory exam in the very first attempt. And obviously, he does not leave any student just like that. He considers each and every one of them. He actually knows all his students personally, from which country or which region that student belongs from. And during the class, it's not easy to have the information of 40, 50 or students on your mind. So he's someone with that level of experience, who knows inside out of the person whom he is teaching. So that helps. That has actually helped me a lot through my journey of clearing this theory exam. And on the day before the planned theory exam, and on the same day early in the morning, He does the quiz personally, one-to-one, to better explain us uh, in understanding the question and motivating us in the last moment. So I highly recommend Mr. Ambrish, and I thank him very much for all the good work he's doing for all the foreigners and expatriates like me who have been in Italy, who have recently arrived in Italy and are on their journey to get the Italian driving license. Mr. Ambrish, thank you very much. I'm very fortunate to have known you, and I hope you help as many as foreigners succeed in achieving their Italian driving license. Thank you, Mr. Ambrish. Thank you very much. God bless you all.